Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to study about the drawing functions in the OpenCV Python. How to draw the line, rectangle, circle, ellipse, polygon, and if you want to write some text over the image, if you want to highlight particular objects through different shapes, then we can use these functions in the OpenCV. OpenCV provides functions for each shape. Like we have a function for the line, it's cv2.line, cv2.circle, rectangle, ellipse, and put text. Okay, so let's start using the drawing functions. So I'm opening Google Colab, and here I'm just going to draw a line over the image. For that, we need to take an image. I'm just going to create my own image. Like you already know how to create your own images. So for that, we need to use the NumPy and creating an image through the NumPy. Okay. So first of all, I'm importing CV2 and then I'm importing NumPy. And image is equal to np.zeros. I'm creating a black image. Every pixel have 0 value 300, 300, 3. And I need to give the type of the image also. So type of the image would be np.uint8. Okay, and I just want to see this image. So how to see the image? I can use cv2_imshow function. For that, I need to import the Google patch. So from Google Colab.patches, import cv2_imshow and cv2_imshow, and I need to write here img. Now I can run this code, and if you are using any editor, then you don't need to write this line from the google.colab.patches. You can directly take the function imshow, like cv2.imshow, and after that you need to give the wait key cv2.wait key. That code is given to our website. You can see from here also like how to draw a line. I'll give the URL in the reference notes, so you can check code from here also. So we are creating a zeros array, and then we are going to create a blue line over that image. And you can take any other image also. I have created our own image. You can take any already existing image also. So next thing is how to draw a line. So I just want to draw a line. For that, what I need to do, I need to write a function cv2.line. So img is equal to cv2.line. And inside this function, what I need to give, I need to pass two things. One is the starting point, and another coordinate is for the end point for a line. Okay. So here on this first parameter, I need to give the image on which I want to draw the line, and then the starting point, like I'm taking the starting point 0, 0, 0, 0, top left corner, and then I'm going the end point. End point, you can give any point, like I'm giving here 200, 200, and after that the fourth parameter I need to give for the color and then the thickness. So color is the combination of three parameters BGR. So I just want to draw a blue line, then I need to give the 255 for the blue pixel and 0 for the remaining pixels. Like for the B, I'm giving the highest value, and G and R, I'm giving the 0, 0. So it will create the blue line. If I'll give the 255 in the middle value, then it will create the green line, and in the last one it will create the red line. And if you are giving some values combinations under the 0 to 255 in the range of 0 to 255, then it will create a line, the combination of all three colors. You can give it a try. Okay. And next thing is the thickness of the line. So I'm taking the thickness of 5 pixels. Okay. Now I can run this code, and you can see here a line has been drawn, and it is started from 0 to 0, and it is till 200 comma 200. And the thickness, you can see here, I can increase and decrease the thickness. Like if I'll write here the 10, the line thickness would be the more. Okay. This is how to create a line in an image using the OpenCV. Now the next shape I'm going to draw is a circle. So for the circle drawing, what we need basically, the function, that is the cv2.circle. I'll explain first of all the parameters of the function, like circle, cv2.circle, and inside this what I need to give, image on which I want to draw the circle, then the center point, and then the radius, and then color, and then thickness, and then you can give the line type also, like it is a dotted line, it is a strong line, what type of line you want to draw. Okay, so we will draw a circle here. So you know what is the IMG? IMG image that containing a line. Okay, same image I'm using for this. I'm not going to create a new image. I'm just going to write a simple code like IMG is equal to cv2.circle, and inside this IMG comma, I need to give the center point 150, some parameter I'm taking 150 comma 130, and then the radius I'm taking the 50, and then I just want to draw a red color circle, 0 comma 0 comma 255. Okay, and then the line type, like here I'm taking -1. You can see the output, the -1 here for the filled circle, cv2 underscore imshow img. Over the same image that we have taken previously, we have created a circle also. Like if you want to draw a circle, you need to give these parameters. Okay, and the next drawing is ellipse. Same function you can use for the ellipse, like cv2.ellipse, image, and then the center point, then the axis, angle, start angle, end angle, color, thickness. You can give it a try. Okay, so next thing I'm taking here, like I just want to put text on the images. Like here I just want to put my name, or I just want to put the name of Co-Edu Hub Technologies. Okay, so how to put the text over the image? For that we have another function called the put text. Okay, so I'm just going to write here the function. Like first the understanding of the function, what the function and what parameters function have. Put and T capital text function. This function have first parameter the image over which we want to create, we want to write the some text, and then the second parameter would be the text which we want to write here, and the third parameter is the location, like the coordinate from where you want to write the you want to start the writing the text. Here the Colab always provide you the help, like first is image, then text, and then the origin, and then the font, like what font you want to use, font type, and then the font scale, like it is the a factor like a base size or then the more than the base size, and then the color, what color text you want to write, and thickness of the text, and then the line type. This is line type is an optional parameter. It gives the type of the line to be used. Okay. So basically these till the thickness, all these are the compulsory parameter you need to provide, and then the remaining are the optional parameter. You, if you want, then you can give, otherwise no need to worry about it. Okay. So here I'm just going to put the text over the same image, the image we have created. So here we are, what we need to write first, we need to prepare our text and the basic things like font, text, what I want to take the text is equal to, I just want to text void you have. Okay. And other thing is like I just want to take the fonts. There are the certain fonts defined inside the OpenCV, so I'm taking one of them, cv2 dot font underscore. These are the standard fonts, like these are the certain fonts, so I'm taking this one, simplex. Okay. And then the origin point, like where I just want to put this text, like org, I'm taking 20, 50. I'm giving a try. It can be anything. And then the font scale. I'm taking the base size. So font scale is equal to 1. Okay. And then color. Color, what I'm taking here in the form of BZR. So color is equal to, I need to give the 3 parameters, like green text I want to write. So 0, 255, 0. Okay. And what the next thing I want? Thickness. One extra parameter is thickness. Thickness I'm taking here 2. Okay. Now I'm just going to write the put text function. Image is equal to cv2 dot put text, and inside the put text I'm writing img, and the next thing is the text, text, the variable I have taken text, and then the origin I need to give the location, and then the font, and then font scale, color or thickness. I think now it would create, and then I'll show this image, cv2 underscore show image. Yes, guys, you can see here what we have created. We have created our own black image, then we have drawn one blue line, and then the red circle, and then the text code you have. Okay, So I think now it should be clear to you. If you want to write any text in any image, like if you want to highlight certain objects, then you can do like this.